congratulations on this win. Another straight set win and this time against Juice Coffee. What can you say about how your team performed tonight against?
Yes, but I want to say thank you so much, Juice. And today was a good game. Yeah. And I need more. I have a request to play. They need more straight play. Yeah. Change the mind, change the character. If they can't change the mind, impossible. This top four. Now, I don't know next game. Yes, but today they're good. Yeah, everyone, thank you so much. And libero, good serve always, good serve catch. And setter always good, constant force. Middle always good block. So we could win. Yeah, I appreciate to play.
Thank you, Coach. Angelina, best player of the game. Another consistent performance for you with Farm Fresh. Siguro, ano lang yung nakikita mo na nag-improve din sa sarili mo after back-to-back wins?
I think yung mga tinuturo din ni Coach Koji, like, yun nga, change our mind, and yun nga yung character din kasi ng Farm Fresh. Lagi na lang parang potential, gano'n. So yun yung sinasabi niya, yung parang baguhin namin kung ano yung attitude namin sa loob, yung character namin, ganyan. And we understand naman why he gets mad every time na parang nagko-commit kami ng mga parang small mistakes na parang hindi dapat i-commit. And I think nakakatulong talaga yun, yung mentality din talaga ni Coach na gano'n, na ini-imply niya talaga sa amin. And ayun, nadadala naman namin siya every game, and hopefully, and yun nga talaga, hindi niya kami tinitigilan din sa training eh. So talaga nakakatulong yan sa amin.
Remy, sa Farm Fresh, isa din sa mga dala mo is yung leadership mo din on the court. Siguro after itong back-to-back wins nyo nga, ano yung nakikita mo din nag-improve sa inyo as a team?
Siguro unti-unti din namin na-adapt na yung sistema ni Coach. Na sa ensayo, una syempre sa ensayo, kailangan talagang paghirapan namin yung process para unti-unti din talagang magawa yung tinuturo ng mga coaches namin. And also, pagdating sa game, yung application talaga yung kailangan namin magawa. And all throughout the game, kailangan nga, kailangan lagi namin din nire-remind yung sarili namin na tuloy lang palagi, lalo makinig din sa mga instructions na binibigay ng coaches namin.
For Jelena, siguro after maraming big names na pumasok sa team, yung mga veterans and all, and for you with fitness issues in the past with injuries, gano'ng kalaking part ng conference na to for you? Kumbaga, trying to prove a point na your spot in Farm Fresh is something you really work for, and kumbaga, you still want to watch out for talaga sa team.
Since nga ang dami din ng mga pumasok na yun nga, big names sa team. And I think naman si Coach Koji, super fair naman siya in terms sa yung pagdating sa spot, and you have to earn it talaga. And ayun na, nagkataon lang din talaga na every game din talaga, si Coach nag-iiba rin naman. May system talaga siya na sa kanya, so hindi naman palagi like secure yung spot na yun sa amin. And yung mga ates talaga sa team, like tinutulungan talaga nila kami, especially sa training. And yung healthy competition ba na nangyayari, especially kunwari sa mga middles, ganyan, talagang healthy competition sa amin nila Ate Ara, nila Ate Royce, nila Ate Ceci, ganyan. Hindi talaga secure yung spot. So every training, every game, talagang kailangan i-earn mo yung spot mo na yan.
And for Remy, kumbaga yung previous title run mo with your former team, nagsimula din kayong medyo shaky sa conference bago nyo na, kumbaga, nakuha yung tempo nyo. Parang what part of that experience lang yung pinakagusto mong tumatak sa team in terms of, kumbaga, huwag masyadong madala agad kapag slow starts or hindi nagiging maganda yung outcomes?
Isa rin sa nagiging reminder sa amin na mas magandang na-experience namin yun sa early part ng liga. So magiging malaki siyang reminder sa bawat isa na at least nakikita namin ano yung mga lapses na pwede namin ayusin, tapos dagdagan para pagdating sa mga susunod na laro, yun na yung madadala namin yung mentality na hindi kami basta pwedeng matalo kasi alam namin contender din yung team. Kailangan lang talagang mag-work together. Tapos siguro yung masasabi ko, kudos din naman sa lahat kasi ng teams ngayon, nag-improve talaga lahat. So lahat ng teams gustong manalo. It's anybody's game. Hindi natin masasabi each game kung sino yung pwedeng manalo. Laging sinasabi rin sa amin ni coach na wag namin iisipin na gusto namin manalo or gusto namin matalo. Every point yung binibigay niya sa aming reminder. Just get every point. Kung nagkamali ka, and then try to focus to the next point. Laging yun at yun lang. Kumbaga, one step at a time lang. And also, nasa proseso pa din naman kami. So, yung adaptation talaga sa sistema, kailangan namin talagang unti-untiin din and bigyan din ng pasensya yung bawat isa. Also, yung coaches. Pagkatiwalaan din namin yung sistema na gusto nilang mangyari.
Ferlen and Jolina, yun nga, ang daming new additions dito sa Farm Fresh. Parang kumbaga, may pressure din ba for you guys na kumbaga hindi na pwedeng up and coming team na lang tong Farm Fresh? You know, at some point, kailangan nandun na kayo sa semis or parang nagko-compete na kayo for the championship. May ganun bang parang pakiramdam after nitong 0-2 start nun dito sa All Filipino?
Siguro okay na din talaga na, yun nga, since kasi sinabi ni coach na change your mind. So siguro kailangan din namin i-pressure talaga yung sarili namin na talagang kailangan namin maging contender every conference talaga. And ayun nga, dahil nga kilala naman natin yung mga pumasok na mga ate, sobrang palaban din talaga sila. So, ayun, nagtutulong-tulong lang talaga kami sa team. And gusto talaga namin yung Farm Fresh, like ayun nga, step by step. Talagang nagtitiwala kami sa sistema ni Coach Koji.
Siguro, yung expectations kasi hindi naman nawawala yan. Every now and then, kahit saan tayo mapunta, laging may expectations about isa. So, kami, kailangan namin mas i-focus yung sarili namin sa trabaho. Kasi yung result naman, laging kasunod naman doon sa itatrabaho namin. So, kami, unti-untiin lang talaga namin. Laging constant reminder din, kahit nakakasawa na, pero yung pasensya, dapat hindi talaga nawawala. And also yung tiwala nga. Alam namin, kakayanin yung team, basta mag-work hard pa talaga kami. Tatrabawin namin yun. Para yun nga, yung chances kasi na nabibigay din sa amin. And also yung opportunity na kagaya nito, ayaw din namin basta bitawan kasi pinaghihirapan din namin sa ensayo.
Coach, next game will be against Capital One. What will be the mindset heading into that
Yeah,
game?
more hard game. So tomorrow start the practice. This time I choose the Ram. Now Ram is the assistant coach and the player because Ram have a high experience. She make a good leadership. So this leadership need now Farm Fresh. So I selected. Yeah. So I expect to run the future. Yeah. And I hope to more expect to Jolina. More she will be more stoic person. Change their mind. Yeah. Top 4 and number 4. Okay. Top 4. 5, 6, 7, 8 player. Big difference. Yeah. If they want more top class, they need more change their mind. And okay, last one, other story. We will recover the coach Jerry. Yeah. Yeah. Good luck, Coach Jerry. I want to meet him on the court. Yeah. This is my message.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you, Remy. Thank you, Jenny.
Okay, thank you.